Okay, hey Jazz Boos, it's Jackie here with Jazzets. I was neglecting my handmade videos, so here you go. I'm going to show you how I made those. First, you're going to need some needle nose tweezers and pliers, and your findings, your hoops. What are you going to connect it with? Your beads, your fish hooks, your eye pins, and of course this is embroidery string. Right here I'm showing you that it has to be cut because they just wrap it around and put a little label on it. And this one is already cut because it's the one that I'm making right now. I'm actually making earrings for my boys' teachers. So I've had them figure out what their favorite colors were, and I decided to do their favorite colors in the tassel earrings. And this is the smaller hoop, and all you're going to do is you're going to pretty much loop it around the wire, because that's pretty much what it is. It's a closed wire, which is a hoop, and you can get them in different sizes and shapes. And you just looped it around just like that, and you're going to keep doing that until you get the desired thickness of tassel that you want. For this one, I think I'm doing about 6 or 8, but really I just go by okay how I like it to look, and then okay I stop and do the other one the same thing. And right here you're just going to keep going doing the same exact thing until you get it as thick as you want it to be. And then further on in the video I'll show you ones that I did, and it's multiple colors, so you don't have to stick with one color. You can switch it up and do custom. So I'm still working on one. When I slow it down, try to show you guys, I actually mess up. I'm so used to doing it that when I'm doing it fast, it's easy. But all I'm doing is looping the embroidery string around the hoop, like so. And here I slowed it down for you so you can actually see. So you can see that thing. And it's easier to show you doing it this way, where I just take the end of it and stick it in there and pull it. There you go. Now you see what I'm doing? There you go. And then you pull it and it tightens up, and bam, it's on that thing. And that's all you do. It's really easy. It's really easy. I love doing stuff like that anyway, so I'm just gonna speed it up and keep showing you how I'm doing it. Bam. And I go extra fast without nails on, but you know, hey, it is what it is. But here I am. You pull on it to make it tight, and there you go. You make whatever color you want, whatever color your customers or whoever desire. Switch up the bead color in the middle, all that. Bam. So we're gonna go ahead and finish the next earring, well, the other one to go to that one. Just wanted to show you halfway that okay, yeah, it looks the same. So I'm gonna use what's it called? Yeah, the fray check. It stops it from untangling or fraying. So when I put this on, it'll dry and it will not come off. It'll dry like that, and it won't unloop from the earring. And these are eye pins. This is what I'm actually going to put the bead on to hang inside of the hoop. Got my little bead bag. That's also the beads that I use to make waist beads too. And these are the multicolor ones I did for one of the teachers. And voila, here you go. So if you're interested in getting any handmade accessories or these tassels here, they are available on my site. Made with love. by Jackie and Jazzets. Aww. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Stay tuned for more videos. And remember to be you, because only you can do what? Can do it best.